What's going on, guys? It's Picsoleated, and today I've got a special package with tons of goodies from a specific brand. You've probably read the title, so you already know what it is. It's a bunch of Fear of God goodies. These Johns are typically hella pricey, but you know me. I'm always out here hunting for the steals and deals, and Fear of God essentials just happened to go on sale at PACSUN, so the opportunity arose, and I copped a bunch. By the way, PACSUN doesn't exist here in Canada, so I had to order it off their website and get it shipped to somewhere in the States to avoid those dreaded customs and duties, and then I had to bring it over here. So keep in mind, obtaining these was not a joke, but because I bought so much, I ended up spending not nearly as much if I had shipped them directly here. Also, I had to pick up some stuff from the States anyway, so it wasn't out of the way to go get this. But with that out of the way, let's get into this unboxing. Alright, so item number one, first and foremost, I got these Fear of God Essentials graphic fleece sweatpants in yellow. This pair of sweatpants is part of the newer Essentials collection, with the Essentials text graphic printed somewhere on most of the pieces. In this case, we've got it on the front quad area of the leg, and just to let you guys know, I've already been wearing these, so if they look a little worn in, that's the reason. But you see this graphic on the front quad area of the left leg. So I have been wearing these around. Yes, that means I unboxed the box already, but I repackaged it for you guys. So just to let you know, this is what I do for you guys. This piece is from the newer Essentials collection, like I said before. And if you know the difference between this and the older collections have more of a stacked tapered pants fit. You know, like the ones with the zippers at the bottom. These are more classic looking sweatpants. They're considered a slim fit though, which is great because I got them in a size large and they fit perfectly. I don't think I own a single pair of pants that are as comfortable as these. They almost taper so slightly and perfectly at the bottom and still rest nicely and form a satisfying look near the bottom of the pants where the leg meets the shoe. It kind of just bunches up a little and it looks very nice. They've got the signature super long toilet bowl dipping drawstrings, so you've got those signature fog essential hits, but you get more comfort and less tightness around the ankles. If you know the previous pants with the zippers, they're a little tighter around the ankles. They give you sort of a different look, which also means you get a lot more breathability with this, and the mix of soft fleece, cotton, and polyester making up the pants. Because these are part of the newer collection, they weren't as discounted and are the most expensive item in this unboxing, which is $50 US. Yes, these are the most expensive item in the box. 50 bones, guys. Now, one thing does bother me about these. I will say it has been dropping a lot of little pellets of yellow fur in a lot of places, so hopefully that stops soon. I feel like maybe after one wash or something it'll stop happening, but I have been seeing a lot of these yellow pellets. Of course, these are fog essentials. This isn't the mainline Fear of God that'll cost you like $1,000 for a pair of pants, so keep that in mind. With that being said though, I'm very happy with these. Other than the little cotton balls falling around here and there, I am not too mad at these at all. Alright, on to the next item. So the next item is the Fear of God Essentials drawstring shorts in the Chinchilla colorway. I got them in a size large as well, and let me tell you, I heard things about how Fear of God Essentials fits a little big and oversized, and I was a little concerned about getting a size large, but I've bought some things from other brands in the past that were described as oversized, which ended up being boxy and still fitting true to size in every other way, like length, for example. So I decided, you know what, I'm gonna get large anyway, and boy, let me tell you, these Johns fit big. Not ridiculously big, but you know, I'd rather have gotten something that was too big than too small. That way I can just shrink it as long as it's not insanely big. Just a size too big or half a size too big. These shorts are part of the older collections, and the older Essentials collections were what was considered to be a little oversized. So the previous pants you saw, the yellow pants, because they're part of the newer collection, they kind of fit normally. They don't fit oversized at all. But I think that's the case with pants most of the time anyway. Just to save time, I'll let you know that pretty much everything else in this box is from the older collection, so the design and sizing are more in line with what these shorts represent. The newer collection with the Essentials graphic text on the items seem to be more true to size and less oversized, like I said earlier. So keep that in mind if you're looking to buy any of these items. The quality and weight on these is great though, and considering I got these for $25 US, which is pretty much 70% off the retail price of $80 US, I gotta say that's a pretty stunning deal. One might even say it's a steal. Yeah, no, really, it is. This is one of those situations where patience saves pockets, and on top of that, they're fog drawstring shorts with the signature long drawstrings. We've got zipper pockets and a drop crotch fit. Drop that crotch. Alright, that sounds kind of weird. Plus, it's about to be spring soon, so these are about to get some wear. They're super comfortable, breathable, and quality material for a steal of a price. Now, before we get into the next item, feel free to follow me on Instagram at Picsoleated. That's at PICSOLEATED for fire sneaker content and giveaways. I'm going to be doing a hype giveaway soon, so you'll want to be there for that. Alright, next I got the Fear of God Essentials half zip pullover hoodie in the major brown colorway. Just keep in mind, I didn't come up with these colorway names, but this is probably my favorite item that I got. It was folded up properly. I have taken it out before, just letting you know. I haven't worn it yet, but I did take it out just to look at it. But anyways, this is my favorite item that I've got, actually probably right next to the yellow sweatpants. Those things are just too comfortable. This half pullover is just super comfortable. Also, it's made with terry fleece and has these nice elastic cuffs on the sleeves that give you the nice bunched up look at the end of the sleeves. I got this hoodie in a size large, and of course, because it's from the older collection, it's a bit bigger than I had expected, but it's still wearable to me, so it's no big deal. And it's most likely going to shrink just a touch once, you know, it goes through the works. Very good weight, very quality material, and my favorite part of this hoodie is the zippers on the side, so I can adjust the fit and layering to whatever I want. Sometimes you don't want that waistband to be hugging on you like your overprotective girlfriend or whatever. Everything else is pretty standard. You know how it goes. Cozy fit for the cozy price of $30 US. Yes, you heard that correct. Another 70% off situation right here. This hoodie is just super weighty. It's so high quality. I'm for 30 bucks. That's insane. All right, next item. Winding down, we've got the Fear of God Essentials basic t-shirt in this Stucco colorway. Or Stucco. Bruh, who's coming up with these colorway names? Now, as much as I like this shirt, the quality is on point, the fit is great. Once again, I got a size large, and it just fits insanely long, and it's meant to fit that way because it's meant to be layered. It is a super long shirt. The problem is it almost goes to my knees. Now, this isn't too bad, and really, because it's made for layering, it's the only way I can wear it because it's so long. But hopefully, this will shrink a little too. When I wore this with the hoodie, it actually didn't look too bad at all. It actually looked kind of good. It's got these nice slits at the bottom of the shirt to split the front and the back portion, and that's really important when wearing long tees because it helps with your range of motion, and it just helps the shirt be more comfortable when you're wearing it. That's pretty much it. It's as simple as it gets, and for $15, I'm extremely impressed. One of the cool details about this shirt is it has the Fog Essentials label on the back. Not every item has this, so it's cool to see that detail on the shirt. I know a lot of people go crazy over little details like this. I appreciate it, but I know a lot of you are going wild thinking, oh my god, people can see that I'm wearing Fear of God. So yeah, 15 bucks for a Fear of God, essentially a Fear of God shirt. See what I did there? Alright, next item. Alright, so this item, we've got the Fear of God Essentials drawstring pants, again in that Stucco or Stucco colorway. Now, this is what I was talking about when I was talking about the old collection. You can see here just the difference in style from the new Essentials sweatpants to these older drawstring pants. These ones have a contrasting elasticized waistband, the signature extended drawstrings, but also it tapers a lot more and stacks a lot more at the bottom of the pants, with the zippers here for adjusting the leg openings to either be more, well, open or just be able to slide your foot in. They're super comfortable, made with terry lining, and they have a different, more aggressive look to them versus the newer, more relaxed Essentials sweatpants. These would be my more dressing up type streetwear look versus the newer sweatpants being more of a casual, relaxed look. So pick whichever you think is best for you. We've got these zipper pockets once again, and we've got the back pockets as well. Overall, I ended up spending about $187 US with shipping on all these items, which is an absolute steal for the amount of items I got, especially considering it's all part of the Fear of God Essentials collection. If I bought these not on sale, it probably would have cost me $187 to just buy 2 of these items. I'm very impressed with the quality of the clothing in this collection, and for the price that I got them at, I almost feel like I stole them. Sorry, PACSUN, just don't come after me. Let me know what you guys thought about this Fear of God Essentials clothing haul. Did you think I got my money's worth? What was your favorite item? Let me know in the comments. Catch you later. Picsoleated is afraid of God.